Oh! Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh! Hi and hello friends, my name is CJ. Welcome to my channel, and today we're back on Kill It With Fire. Sorry, we're not posting for I'm gonna say a good minute. I tried to get multiple games out. I tried to get Roblox Scary Games Part 3 out. Didn't want to work. Tried to get Subnautica Part 2 out. Didn't want to work. I tried to play another scary game, Nun Massacre. Didn't want to work. So we're back on this because I'm pretty sure this is the only one that is going to work with me for right now. But anyways, scratch all of that. We're to kill some more spiders. If you like what you're watching, subscribe, do what you want. I really don't, well, I kind of do care, actually. Anyways, let's get started. Oh, God. Kill exploding spiders? See, we're already starting off wrong. Last time it was jumping spiders. Now it's... okay. Well, let's get started then. Okay. This ain't too bad. It ain't that bad. Okay. So I'm gonna just start smacking stuff until something happens. Excuse me? Excuse me? Oh, there it is. Come here. Yeah, look at you.
Don't kill me. I have a lot. Oh!
What the? Alright, I like to thank everyone for... I'm not about to do this. No. Are you joking? It blew up. It blew up. Hot. Come here. Come here. Why can't I... How do I run again? Oh, we got our stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's my millimeter. No, a revolver. I don't know nothing about guns. I'm sorry. Oh. Back in business. Back in business, fix electrical problems. I'm up here to kill spiders. I'm not no electrician. What? You're telling me ain't nothing was over here? I see you. I see you. Get off that. Get the gun out. Close it. Where? What kind of... I'm gonna open this. I don't know what's over there. Oh. Get it out.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Oh, dang. What's wrong with these? What is this? Energy drink. What did that do? Why is everything slowed down? Dude, they laced the energy drink because this ain't no energy drink does this. Whoop here. Whoop in here. Whoa! Whoa! I don't know who did that. I don't know who screamed like that. Whoever screamed like that, they were a little scared. Sounds like it. I don't know who that was though. Oh my! Ah! Excuse. I just wanted to.
She did, Shane.
Oh!
Sharkasia!
Oh my God! Sharkasia!
There it is. The fact that these spiders blow up. I want to go home. I don't want to do this anymore. Oh! Oh!
Nice shot.
Shoot. I'm giving up from the stuff. Oh, this looks big and scary. Have a blast. Detonate the propane tank.
Oh!
I didn't mean to do that. Oh wow. Well, I thought. Okay. What the? Oh my god! I don't like that these spiders explode. I don't. Ugh. Oh wow. Oh, I see y'all. Hold on. That's a strong spider. He's pushing that whole thing. Hold on. Get this out. Get this out in a minute. Boom. I see you. I didn't even see that one. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Yep. I got almost. Get off that. Oh! I got something for you. Yep. Oh, we're going into the front. Oh, you know there's a bunch of spiders out here. Let one come out. Come on in here and take it out. Whoa, it stank. Oh my god, it stank up in there. Ooh, present just for me. Kerosene soaked bullets. What is that supposed to do? If I don't see it. Why did it have? What am I supposed to do with this? I didn't know what I'm supposed to do with that. They are up here with like covers on. That's one. There's another one. I don't know what I shot, but it flew all over there. I see you. Oh! Oh, I didn't even do that. Oh! Okay. A jerry can. Ooh, it got me a jerry can. I'm gonna go back in the store. Hey, are y'all closed? Sir? Sir, let me in, please. Oh, I guess they're closed. Well, I'm going to the back. Take out the trash. Ugh. 2. There it is. Get off that. Why is it up there? We did it. And we out. We out. Deuces. I didn't want to do that last one because I knew I couldn't. I didn't know what cost that. Those pizzas were like $10. On to the next level. I'm telling you. Kill a web spider? That doesn't sound that bad. Wait, sticky situation. They sticky? Maybe they is kind of bad. I don't want no sticky spider now. Oh, Oh, it's fighting back. Hold on. That thing was fighting back. Excuse me. It was throwing blows. Dang it. Hold on. You know what I don't got right now? I don't got my hairspray. And that's what we need right now. In this moment of chaos. Up. Up. Nope. Quit. I don't like you. And I hope you know that. Shut up! Stop making that noise. Oh. Hit it. Hit it. Quit! Get back here. You ain't gonna throw no web at me. You're gonna get what your problem is.
Nice shot.
I know. Thank you. I'm too good at it. How do we just... Oh, we gotta... Oh, okay. Because I'm looking at them and they were just... For some reason. Use that one and then do that one. Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! You burn it and you still shooting things at me? And another one? Burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. I don't. Oh. They still trying it. What's up? What's up? Come on. Come on. Ain't no running. Get the gun out. Get the gun out. I'm at ammo. I'm just shooting. I don't know what I'm doing now. And you did it again. This nasty looking wet. It's
Incredible.
eat that. I know. Eat. I threw the Molotov. They still kicking. Oh my God. I threw the Molotov and it didn't go off. And it was still kicking. Fire and all. These black and yellows, blackos, you know what it is. Cause Oh.
Kill confirmed.
There it is. There it is. Get off that rock. Hold on, I got something to say to you. Like I said before, I don't like you. I don't. Get your sticky, nasty white webs up off of me. It will be a problem. Okay? I hope you know that.
You ugly and you stink, monkey.
Man, this is why I don't like it here. They being mean to me. Oh, get me out of here. A weed whacker? Nah, they see. I see you. I see.
Yeah, boy.
Ah! Oh my God! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I saw. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ain't no running, ho. And then it jumped again. Oh, get out! Ah, it jumped anyways. Come here. Come here. And there's another one. my problem. Not my problem. It jumped over there. That's not my problem. Not my problem. Get pew! Oh shoot. Nothing at me. You know what? I burn the whole garden down. Stand right next to me. Pew! I'm up here dodging. Y'all, I'm dodging things. I'm mostly out of ammo and everything. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get lethal. I'm gonna have to get lethal and use my hands. The jumping spiders, they still get me. And I know that they're gonna jump. And they still get me. I don't want to do this no more. I don't. I work like a dog. They don't pay me nothing. My baby at home, you know, for dry bologna sandwiches. Look, you see that? It ain't let me get it. Get up. Like I don't see you. Like I don't see you. What'd he say? Hold on. Let me get the good angle. And then he says, oh, hold on. I missed my.
Nope.
I'm out of ammo. I got. And if it didn't die, this game hates me. It ain't dead. Are you? It's like I'm. Oh my God! Oh my God! Get on the ground. You too. Oh. Now they wanna. Oh. What can I use? C4. Pull it out. It jumped at me. It. Nope. Get it out. You wanna do this to me? One over there. Yup. It's getting personal. It's getting personal. Don't care. It's getting personal. Mess with me. Hey, yo, Tim. It's about to go down. And if anything jumps at me, or anything, I will be calling Susan. Who is Susan, you may be asking? I don't know. But hopefully she'll do something for me. Arachnodex? What is that? Yeah, it's about to go down. It's going down. Basement. Friday the 13th. Guess who's playing Jason? Yep, look. What? What was up on my head? I'm not going that way. I'm not going that way. Oh. Get that way out of here. Ah! Where? There it is. Oh, yeah, we finna burn this place down. I just need a backup. Oh, now I knew these were here for something. I knew they were. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. But since we're here. Oh, look. Ah! And that was the one from before. I forgot about it. We gotta go get those cats. Hold on, I'm gonna get those cats.
3 hours later.
I'm mastermind. Oh. Boom. No, it's the trees. It's the trees. That's the problem. We did it. Oh, we did it. We did it. Oh, goodness. That was... I just thought you had to put a thing there. Okay. Oh. What's in... Shurikens! Sarukens! Shurikens. Oh, oh. Let's see if I can... Dang. No. Wait! Okay, just go slap it. My goodness. Hoping we lost it. There it is. Get it out! We did it. I get it now. Are you joking?